everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing this awesome, really easy recipe. This is a cake without a mass and lots of eggs. Follow my channel to see more of this type videos. First of all, you can cut your lavash in thin stripes like this, and you can cut them again like this. And this is about 150 grams. 200 grams of cheese and some parsley. You can add onions if you want to. In a big bowl, you add 4 eggs and a bit of salt and pepper. How much and however you want. Then you mix it. Then add some milk, and it's 150 milligrams. Then you can add your cheese, your parsley, and then your lavash after mixing. And you mix again so the lavash soaks the egg. The pan that you'll be using in the oven, you can add the butter so the cake doesn't stick to it. Then you put all the mixture with the lavash inside the pan and distribute it with your spoon. Then you can add it to the oven in 150 Celsius for 15 or 20 minutes. This recipe is super easy to make, and I'm sure no one can even recognize what's the main ingredient, and that's awesome. This is so easy and really fast to make if you don't know what to make, and it's so tasty. I recommend this recipe 100%. Follow my channel so you can see more of my videos, and like this video if you really liked it. Thank you for watching.